Welcome to the third video of ABB Robotics series by CNCTrain. In today's video, we will be creating a homing routine for arc welding. Well, you might be wondering, what is an ABB Robot Studio? Robot Studio is ABB's simulation and offline programming software offering a complete digital replica of physical assets or systems so you can see what's going on in your production line remotely. Today's video is about robot programming, so let's talk a little about it. Robot programming is the identification and specification of a series of basic actions which, when executed in the specified order, achieve some specific task or realize some specific process. Robot programming methods can be classified into two categories, online and offline. Some of the online methods are teach-in, playback, master-slave, programming with sensor support. Some of the offline methods are alphanumeric, graphic, and no-based robot programming. Let us proceed to our video and understand the complete process of creating a homing routine in robot programming for arc welding.
Start with right-click on the simulation window. Select Orientation. Select Left. This will show you the left side view of the robot. In the Controller Tools group, click the arrow next to Inputs, Outputs. The Virtual Flex Pendant window opens. The Virtual Flex Pendant, also called Teach Pendant, is a programming pendant connected to the virtual controller. Next, you will create a new routine for robot homing in the program. Routine is a set of data declarations followed by a set of instructions used to implement a task. Routines can be divided into three categories: procedures, functions, and trap. Click or press Next to continue. Click the menu drop-down arrow on the Flex Pendant window. Select Program Editor. Then click Routines. At the bottom left of the Flex Pendant window, click File. From the menu that appears, select New Routine. On the Routine Declaration page, double-click in the Name field. Enter the routine name as Home and retain the routine type as Procedure. The procedure is a set of instructions that does not return a value. The homing routine is now created in the main module. A module is a set of data declarations followed by a set of routines. The modules can be saved, loaded, and copied as files. In general, these modules are divided into program and system modules. Click OK. Click Show Routine. The newly created home routine is displayed. Minimize the Flex Pendant window. Now, you will learn to set the robot at its home position. The home position is the position where the robot starts and completes its task. This is the safe position to park the robot. Click or press Next to continue. Now, select the Home tab. On the Layout tab, in the Mechanisms group, right-click IRB 1520 ID _4 150 02. On the Home tab, in the Freehand group, click Jog Linear. A coordinate system will be displayed at the Tool Center Point (TCP) of the robot. The linear mode is used to move the robot. In this mode, you can click the axis from which you want to drag and move the TCP to the preferred position. Move the robot TCP in X negative direction as shown. Move the robot TCP in Z negative direction as shown. In the Freehand group, click Jog Reorient. Now, an orientation ring appears around the TCP. Click the orientation ring and rotate the TCP of the robot to the preferred position about Y-axis as shown. Now the welding torch orientation is set as initial position. Again, select Jog Linear. Adjust the robot Z-axis in the negative direction as shown. Now, the homing position of the robot is set. A target is the coordinate to which the robot will reach. The home target position of the robot is added as an instruction in the homing routine. The target consists of the instructions for the position, orientation, and configuration of the robot. Next, you will learn how to add motion instructions in the homing routine. Click or press Next to continue. Click Controller. In the Controller Tools group, click the arrow next to Inputs, Outputs. At the bottom left of the Flex Pendant window that opens up, click Add Instruction. The program consists of several instructions describing the work of the robot. There are specific instructions for the various commands, such as to move the robot, set an output, and so on. Click Move ABSJ. Move ABSJ, also known as Absolute Joint Movements, is a robot motion instruction. As per this instruction, the robot moves from the current position to a new position in absolute joint values. At the bottom left of the Flex Pendant window, click Add Instruction again. Double-click the asterisk symbol in the program to enter the robot's joint target. The data section appears. Click New to create a new joint target. Click OK. The current position of the robot is defined as Joint Target JPOS10. Click OK again. Minimize the Flex Pendant window. Now, you have completed the initial steps for creating a homing routine for robot program using the offline method.
CNCTrain is your one-stop solution for comprehensive 4T solutions, tools, trainings, talents, and transformation services in Smart Manufacturing 4.0. We offer multiple training courses for entry-level job roles in Smart Manufacturing Hub. Some of the courses are for M-Robot, Aristo Robot, and CIM/SIM. Key features of these courses are learning approach, which is task-based, flexibility with remote training program, review process, which is peer-to-peer, and opportunity to engage in project-based internships. To connect with us, kindly refer the description of the video. New video releasing every Friday. Thank you.